Good morning, students. Today we will study about expenditure method. Expenditure method is another way to find out national income. Till now we have studied about income method. Now expenditure method. How can we define expenditure method? Here in expenditure method, we have to point out what are the expenses made by the country. In income method, we have seen the receivings. So in expenditure method, first we will find GDP MP. All the particulars will be on the basis of market price but not the factor cost. So first we will calculate GDP MP and see the formula for GDP MP. Gross domestic capital formation, private final consumption expenditure, government final consumption expenditure, and net export. So first I will write government final consumption expenditure. Plus private final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic capital formation. Okay, now it will be gross domestic capital formation. Pay attention here. Here it is gross domestic capital formation. So this domestic capital formation is the sum of fixed capital and working capital. It is the sum of fixed capital and working capital. So gross domestic capital formation can be written in two ways, either direct or it can be written as gross domestic fixed capital formation. If it is given like that, then we will find out either the working capital or change in stock or net stock, closing stock, opening stock. If that is given, that is known as working capital. So gross domestic capital formation is the sum of fixed capital and working capital. तो अगर क्वेश्चन में ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक फिक्स्ड कैपिटल दिया है तो हम वर्किंग कैपिटल भी ढूंढेंगे, उन दोनों को जोड़ेंगे तो ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक बनेगा. और अगर ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक डायरेक्ट दिया और उसके बाद ये दिए तो वी कैन इग्नोर इट. सो प्राइवेट फाइनल कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर प्लस प्राइवेट फाइनल government final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic capital formation plus net export. Net export means export minus import. यहां पर हमेशा export में से ही import minus होगा even if it is coming negative. So GDP is government final consumption expenditure plus private final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic capital formation, which is the sum total of fixed and working, plus net export. That is how we will get GDP. In this GDP MP, we will subtract NIT. If we will subtract NIT, it will come GDP MP minus NIT means GDP FC. Now we will add NFIA. We will get GNP FC. Now we will subtract depreciation. We will get NNP FC, which is our national income. So that is how it will be done. Now here there is a question of expenditure method. We have to calculate GDP MP, means we have to find GDP MP. Now the particulars which are given are private final consumption expenditure 1200, government final consumption expenditure 200, gross fixed capital formation 300, change in stock 400, import 500, export 600. So as per the formula, GDP MP can be calculated as government final consumption expenditure plus private final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic capital formation plus net export. Now gross domestic capital formation, it is fixed plus, or we can write it separately, GDP GDCF, gross domestic capital formation, can be written as 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. So 3 is 300, 4 is 400. It is 700. So gross domestic capital formation we have got 700. Now net export. Net export means export minus import. So export is 600, import is 500. It has come 100. So our gross domestic capital formation is 700, net export is 100. Now coming to the formula. Government final consumption expenditure 200, private final consumption expenditure 1200, gross domestic capital formation now it is 700, and net export it is 100. So our answer will be 1400, 2100 and 2200. So 2200 is our GDP MP. Clear? Now next question, here we have to find GDP FC. First we will find as usual GDP MP. And how we will find GDP FC? When we will get GDP MP, we will subtract NIT from GDP MP so that we can get GDP FC. Now here GDP MP, the formula is private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic capital formation plus net export. So how it will come? Private final consumption expenditure 1, government final consumption expenditure where it is given at 6 number. So 1 plus 6, gross domestic capital formation. Here we have got net domestic capital formation. To make it gross, what will we do? We will add depreciation. So net domestic capital formation plus depreciation, it will become gross domestic capital formation. So here we will add 2 plus 8. So 1 plus 6 plus 2 plus 8, it will be our gross domestic capital formation plus net export. So net export directly it is given 7 number. So let us calculate 800 plus 6 number पे है 450. Second is net domestic capital formation which is 150. And depreciation is 50. Plus net export is minus 30. So it will become minus 30. So 800, 1250, 1450 minus 30. It will come 1420. This is our GDP MP. Now from GDP MP we have to subtract NIT. Minus NIT. We will get GDP FC. So 1420 minus 120. GDP FC is 1300. I hope by this time it is clear.